Looking for the best kitchen gadgets? You've come to the right place. I'll be sharing 5 must-have kitchen gadgets, and the number 5 gadget could save you a lot of time. Number 1, Self-Stirring Coffee Mug. This electric self-stirring mug easily stirs a variety of drinks, such as coffee, milk, hot chocolate, protein powder, brown sugar water, and lemonade. Made of high borosilicate glass and high-quality wood imitation plastic, this self-stirring coffee mug is conveniently cordless, no charging required. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wash it with tap water. No complicated steps, saving you time and effort. Number 2, Hot Dog Roller. Cook up to 5 hot dogs or sausages simultaneously with this convenient rolling grill. Built to last, the hot dog roller ensures safe and even cooking. The hardwood handle provides easy rolling and transportation while minimizing the risk of burns. Simply grab the handle and push or pull the roller as needed. This ensures all hot dogs and sausages grill evenly, without any charring. It's the perfect companion for outdoor barbecues, grilling sessions, camping trips, and parties. Number 3, Jar Opener. Opening jars can be difficult for seniors, those with arthritis or rheumatoid conditions, limited hand strength or mobility, or hand injuries. The Human Fun set gives your hands the power to open any jar, can, or bottle. It's practical, convenient, and saves you time and strength. Place the opener on the lid of the appropriate size, turn it, and easily break the seal. Or, use the lid opener to pull, it won't slip and saves effort. Number 4, Electric Egg Cooker for Hard-Boiled Eggs. Cook up to 6 eggs to soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shells that are easy to peel, and clean up is a snap. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those with busy schedules. Number 5, Finger Grip Vegetable Peeler. The Finger Grip Vegetable Peeler is made of high-quality soft silicone and a 420J2 stainless steel blade. This finger peeler/carrot scraper is suitable for peeling most vegetables and fruits, such as potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, apples, pears, zucchini, tomatoes, and peaches. This finger grip vegetable peeler is easy to operate and helps prevent accidental cuts while peeling. All product links are in the description below. Subscribe for more.